Hey everyone! In this video, I'm excited to announce my latest project, which is a tool that enables radiologists to enhance their brain MRI scans and also easily identify brain tumors, specifically lower grade gliomas. In this video, I will be walking you through the project, all of its features, and what you can do with it. In the next video, I will also be going through a technical walkthrough. So for anyone building their own deep learning projects and you want to gain an understanding of how these projects can be structured and how to implement the end-to-end machine learning pipeline, then that video will be very useful for you. So make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on that video. Okay, let's get into the application. I've put the link to the application in the description box below, so if you would like to go check it out, please do. And if you have any feedback or potential improvements for the application, I would love to hear from you. Okay, enough chatter. Let's dive into the application. So I'm here on the home screen and we have two options here. We can either upload our own MRI scan or we can try one of the sample scans that is given here. I'm going to go ahead and upload a MRI scan I have saved on my computer. So let's go ahead and upload that. I'm going to select this one. And that's the MRI scan which I'm going to upload. Let's go ahead and continue with that. Okay, here we are on the main dashboard. So on this dashboard, we have about 4 sections here. And let's go through each section to understand what they all mean. The first section is the image history. This section is going to contain all of the images that the application creates, and this is basically like a history, so it stores all of the images that this application is going to create. Now, whenever we're done with the application, we can go ahead and download history, and that's going to download all of the files that we have here in our history. The next section is noise removal. Now, before identifying the tumor in a brain MRI scan, if the scan is noisy, then it can affect the accuracy of the tumor model. So it can be useful to remove noise from the MRI scan before identifying the tumor in the scan. And as you can see, this image right here, which I've picked, is pretty noisy. So our segmentation would benefit a lot from removing the noise. So let's go ahead and click Remove Noise. Now what this is doing behind the scenes, and you can see it's already finished there, but what this is doing behind the scenes is it's contacting a model, which is a noise removal model. And we'll go more into the technical side of the application in the next video. But in simple terms, this is a noise removal deep learning model which takes in the image you've uploaded and it's going to remove the noise from the MRI scan. So as you can see here, we've got that MRI scan with the noise removed. The quality has increased tremendously. I would say that a lot of the noise has been removed. Again, it's not the greatest quality, but for the segmentation, this is a huge improvement because the structure is a little bit more clarified and a lot of the noise has been removed. Now that we've removed the noise from our MRI scan, we can go on to identifying the actual tumor. So I'm going to scroll over to the tumor identification section and we can choose between our 2 images which we have currently. I'm going to go ahead and choose the noise removed image, and this section, what it's going to do is it's going to again contact another deep learning model, and this model is going to identify the tumor from the brain MRI scan. So let's go ahead and click Identify Tumor. Okay, so after around a minute, the tumor identification has finished. So let's scroll over to the segmentation results over here, and you can see it has identified that there is a glioma tumor in this brain scan. So we have the mask here which shows us where the tumor is, and then we've overlaid that mask onto the input image to show us exactly where that glioma tumor is. We can also see here in the image history, we have all our images here, which are all there. So now what we can do is we're done with the application. we can download the history. So let's go ahead and click download history, and that's going to download the zip file. Now it's saying insecure download blocked because this is hosted on AWS and I haven't configured a domain name for this application, but we can just go ahead and say keep, and that will enable us to access the zip file. So let's go ahead and open that up. So it turns out that when I started recording the video, I didn't record the entire screen, which is why the File Explorer didn't actually show up when I previously recorded it. So what I've done is I've just rerun the segmentation with the exact same input image, and we got the exact same results. And now I'm going to be able to show you that download history, and I'm going to be able to show you that in the File Explorer. So let's go ahead and click download history, and we'll go ahead and click keep. And now this will have all of the images in our image history, and we can view them in the zip file. So let's open that up. And there we go. So I'll just go ahead and make those extra large. So let's go ahead and see each of these. So we can see the glioma mask there, and we can see the mask overlay, the noise removed image, and the input image or the image we uploaded. We can also upload more if we have more MRI scans which we would like to diagnose. So let me go and upload one more. I'll upload this one. Okay, let's go ahead and continue with that. And let's just go straight to identifying the tumor. So I'm going to select the one which we just uploaded. Let's go ahead and identify a tumor in that one. And after around 30 seconds, we've got the segmentation results. So the model has identified that there is a glioma tumor, and we can see the mask and the mask overlaid on the brain scan. And that is essentially the application. Once we're done, we can clear everything so nothing is saved. And that was the project. I hope you enjoyed the demo. I certainly enjoyed this whole process of building this application. I learned so many cool things along the way, and we'll dive more into those in the technical video. But yeah, this project has been amazing. I've been working on it for about the past month, and I'm really pleased about how it turned out. I think that this is a solid application for any radiologist, and obviously it can be improved. There are so many other things to consider, file formats, different types of tumors. There are several other tumors which this project can definitely try to accommodate for. So those are all areas of improvement, but I'm happy with the state of the application right now. Again, the link is in the description box below, so if you would like to go ahead and check out the application, please do, and send me your feedback and potential areas of improvement. I'm looking forward to hearing how I can improve this project in the future. If you like the video, smash that like button and make sure to subscribe to my channel so that when I release that technical walkthrough, you'll get notified. And I think that video will be really useful for anyone who's interested in how to build end-to-end deep learning projects, from data preparation to developing the model and all the way to deploying the model and creating this front-end application. And I'll go through all of those steps in the technical walkthrough. I think that'll do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.